What is going on, guys?
So this is going to be a pretty quick video. There's at least one other video that I'm aware of on how to change an ignition switch, which is this piece here. This is the new one, and this is the old one. So to get these covers off, there are two Phillips head screws that remove this bottom piece, which slides up in there. There's actually a third one. The video I watched, he did not remove that. And to get the other screw on this thing, it's way in the back there. Probably can't see that. The other one's right here. And you have to take this out, and that'll come right out. And this is the new one. And one quick tip for getting in between here is to get a set of these. You can get a set of them for, they probably sell them on Harbor Freight. I think I got mine online, and that'll help you pop that off. So this is the new one. You do have to make sure this is the same as, in the same orientation as the one you just took out. So put it back in, and that's so it aligns with once you get that back in, you're going to put your two screws back in and then reconnect your plug and try to turn your car on. Give me a sec here and I will do that. So here's the two screws. That's the one, and the other one is right here. It's pretty hard to get to without taking this all off, as well as getting your lower panel down here. So we're going to plug our connector back in. And we're going to try to start the car. And I'll show you that. And we are golden, guys. If you like this video, if it helped you out. Also, I paid about 13 bucks for this. I really just did it preventatively. I replaced my starter, alternator, and battery since acquiring this car. And I'm really just getting sick of it not starting. So this, I was experiencing some clicking even after I replaced those three things. So I did some research, and the ignition switch on these can go. So for 13 bucks, I just preventatively replaced it. So if this video helped you out, like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, guys.